We are at the IET in Stevenage, hosting our first sector summit of the year, Manufacturing and Engineering.
The IET has been here for about 40 years now, and I very much believe in what the IET does. So we are a purpose-led organisation. We've got a mission to inspire, inform and influence the global engineering community, supporting technology innovation to meet the needs of society.
And it's all about bringing industries together for collaboration, but also talking about the challenges that they all have.
I was actually talking at the event tonight to share our story of how we've really grown the business over the last 10 years.
Historically, if you look back before 2011, the business had been £2 million for the 10 years before. It dipped down in the crisis and then came back up.
We've got 7 fully automated CNC machines that are running up to 20 hours a day.
Last year, in an average month, we worked around 600 human hours. The machines ran 1,400 hours.
The use of AI tools and all the opportunities that brings, there are also great responsibilities, particularly on the developers. There's never been a better time to be an engineer. A lot of young people are very interested in purpose-driven careers. I think we're already seeing it spur innovation and productivity.
I would rather be an engineer in the next 50 years than an accountant, because I believe AI is going to affect them far more than it's going to affect me.
And if you're an engineer, you get a chance to change the world and change the world for the better.